To improve your Rocket League experience with Hyping, follow these steps to optimize your connection and gameplay. Reducing lag can significantly enhance your performance and enjoyment of the game. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for better reliability and low latency. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching Rocket League, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This includes downloads, streaming services, and other programs that may consume bandwidth and resources. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Adjust your in-game settings to prioritize performance. Lower graphics settings and disable features like VSync to reduce input lag and improve responsiveness. Step 4. Choose the right server. When starting a match, select a server that is geographically closer to you. This can help reduce ping and improve your overall connection quality during gameplay. Step 5. Contact your internet service provider. If you continue to experience Hyping, reach out to your internet service provider. They may be able to identify issues with your connection or suggest upgrades to improve your internet speed and stability. By following these steps, you can optimize your Rocket League experience and enjoy smoother gameplay with reduced lag.